Hey YouTube, what is going on? Today I wanted to do a quick review on the EasyBaby Retractable Gate. This is an Amazon product that I'm going to be linking in the description below. And I wanted to show you how I was able to use it and the functionality it has within my home. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I highly encourage you to subscribe. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. And if you have any questions at all about this product that's in my home, please make sure to comment below. We do have a baby on the way, and we want the baby, when the baby's on the main level, to stay on the main level. But it's also because we have pets. We have a dog that we don't want to come upstairs. When the dog comes upstairs, she's still a puppy, and she ends up ripping up some of the carpet. There's a twofold reason behind having this retractable gate. Now, I really love the quick and easy install on this. Now, even with these stairs, I was able to maneuver and figure out exactly what I needed to do. So what I ended up doing is the clamps that come in the packaging, I only used one side of that because specifically for my setup, it didn't work to have those clamps with the wood panel on both sides. It only worked for me to have that on one side, and ended up working out that I screwed directly into the wood on my stair banisters. I didn't really want to do that, but that's the only way I got this to fit. And of course, in the future, if I decide to remove this, there are repair kits to repair wood, and that would be an easy repair. So I decided to go that route of attaching part of the retractable gate that latches the gate onto it to extend it out. Keep in mind, this retractable gate extends up to 55 inches. So you got quite a bit of coverage. If you want to separate one room from another, you would just measure out if you have 55 inches roughly. Hopefully it's less than that because this does really do well within its parameters. I don't know how well it does with extending past that point. I don't believe it does extend much past 55 inches, but it has worked great so far. Another aspect is we did have a free standalone gate that we used to put in, but that would always fall every time, and it was very hard to manage, and it wasn't really aesthetically pleasing. This retractable gate is very aesthetically pleasing. It looks nice and modern and clean, and it has great functionality. The sponsor of this video is the Brandon DIY Paint Edger. If you currently have a painting project at home or even on the job, this paint edger is going to allow you to get the job done quicker and get better lines when you're doing your paint edging. Instead of having to use a paintbrush, you're going to use this paint edger that is going to give you a lot more coverage and is going to be a lot easier to use. There will be a link in the description below for this paint edger, so go down there and get yours today. I hope that you found this review to be helpful. Again, all of your support, liking the video, commenting below, and subscribing is greatly appreciated. And so I hope that this video was of value to you and you were able to get what you were looking for. Again, there's going to be a link in the description below for this product. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.